Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the topic of adding custom tags in transactions, quotations, and the network master. In Transit, we've introduced a feature called transaction tags that lets you add tags to your transactions. To get started, you'll need to select all modules under Sales and Purchase. Here's the list of available options. You'll see a list of all your transactions. Let's open up one of my order confirmation documents. I'll navigate by clicking Go, then choose Go to Transactions. Over on the right-hand side, you'll notice the option for creating a transaction tag. I'll go ahead and select that option. This takes us to the next step. Now I need to create or edit tags. Let's add a new tag here. This means I'll need to create a new tag. I'll choose New Tag and name it High Priority. After naming the tag, I'll save it. My tag list will now display the newly created tag. I'll go back, then add the tag I've just created. I'll select it, and if necessary, I can also add a comment before saving it once it's saved. You'll notice the tag appears at the top corner, labeled as High Priority. You can also view these tags on the Sales and Purchase dashboard. To do this, you'll find an option on the right-hand side to enable the tag feature. When enabled, it will display as High Priority. Adding these tags aids in quick navigation. You can also add tags to your buyers and masters, as well as in your sales quotations. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.